I promise you I'm not up to anything. I'm not. This is my innocent face. Just take off your top. I won't look. I'm not looking, just... Please. Pretty please with your top. I'm not up to anything much. You'll like it, I promise. Just take off your top and lay down by the fire. Thank you. You've been so stressed recently. I just thought that I could help you relax. So, just let me warm up this oil and give you a nice massage. See, I told you that you'd like it. Okay, just breathe for me. There you go. Nice and warm, warming that skin. You're so tense, it's not fair. You're so tense. Just let me take care of you. Please, darling, I just want you to feel good. I want you to be relaxed and to breathe easy. So just focus. Listen to the rain on the window and the crackle of the fire. Let the heat from the fire warm your skin, and let my loving hands just ease away your stress. Take away your tension and just adore you. That's right. Just breathe for me, nice and deep. Let my hands just take care of you. My loving hands. Your muscles are locked up with so much stress, oh darling. Just let my hands adore you. Hold you, stroke you with loving and tender care. That's right. Relax into my touch. I love the way your skin feels under my fingers. So warm and slick. Just breathe. Feel. Enjoy the sensation. That's right. It's the perfect night. Rain on the window, a roaring fire, and you and I together. You're safe and loved and cherished. Let me just ease your stress. That's right. I can feel you start to relax. Let the oil sink into your skin. Sweet, warm, and lovely. Let me show you how much I care. Let me take care of you, because that's all I want to do. That's right. Just let me adore you. Take care of you. Help you relax. Feel the warmth of the fire. The warmth of the oil. The warmth of my hands as I stroke and rub and knead. I can feel you relaxing out slow release of tension. solid. Lovely. You're so touchable, strokeable, lovable. Let me love you. Just relax into my touch. Breathe deep and easy. That's right. That's right. It's just you and I in the warmth of the fire, the rain on the window. So relaxing, so warm. Just drift away. Drift away on a sea of sensation, darling. The warmth of the fire, the cracks, the golden burn feels good on your skin. And my hands are rubbing that warmth in deeper. Feel it permeate. And feels so good. Warm and comfortable. The rain on the window, it's relaxing. Listen to it. Listen to it dance with the cracks of the fire. And just drift away. That's right. Close your eyes and just listen. Listen to the fire. Listen to the rain. Listen to my voice. Relax. Slow, slow drift. That's right, my love. Relax for me. Let me take care of you. I want to take care of you. I love you. You feel so good. Your skin warm and yielding under my hands. Relaxing. With every deep breath you feel relaxed. Just breathe and relax. Let me touch you, love you, adore you, surround you with warmth and I love you. You've been so stressed. I want you to be relaxed, to breathe free, easy. Let me give that to you. Let me just, that's right. Stroke and rub, knead your skin, warm and slick and relaxing. Oh, perfect. I can feel your breathing going deeper and heavier. Relaxation taking over. Just breathe for me. Let my loving hands just take care of you. Soft and tender, cherishment and adoration. Stroke after stroke, love and regard, all for you. That's right. I told you you would like it. That's right. Just breathe. Now you're more relaxed. Just breathe. That's right. Just breathe and feel the warmth. The warmth of the fire. Warmth of my hand. That's right. Darling. That's right, open those eyes. How do you feel? more relaxed. Good. But that's only the start. Next we have hot chocolate and cuddle, so come here and let me wrap you in this blanket and just cuddle up to you. Oh, you smell so good. Your skin's so soft. So very. Yeah. Yes. Relax. Relax. Let me take care of you with kissing and touching and love. Now stay here. Stay warm. I'm going to go and make us hot chocolate with whipped cream. And then I'm really, really going to spoil